Friends, you are currently watching Online Business and Helping Techniques. Now you will learn in it how to do online survey that pay cash instantly. As well as you will learn best survey sites and best survey for money. In this video I will show how I did complete 100% a survey and earned money instantly. And the money was be credited in my account. Before let's get started, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe first and press bell icon for more videos notification. And if you really enjoy this video, give thumb up and share it with your friends. So let's get started. As I click on start button, the survey is starting and also loading the page. Before start the survey, answer the following question. In these question, they can ask you are you male or female. So select as a male or female. You must select male or female. And I was born in dash year mean, select the year as I selected year, and also selected the month. And clicked on next button. The screen shows you have already attempted, we're sorry. This has caused you any inconvenience. What shall I do now? Did the same happen with you? When you started the survey. Now I close this page and go back to search. Other opportunity to find survey. And look, I will success to find out. Success to finding survey, only possible by watching entire video. Again I went on time wall page. And refresh the page again. And the last page of time wall closed by me. Now look, other survey is looking and before doing click on start. I once again refresh the page. And still looking start button of the survey. I click the next page as you can see with open eyes. That how did I qualified for this survey? I click on 30 minutes and now the survey page will start like this. And the process is continue at last the survey is started. Now look entire video to know which type of question ask in survey. And how you select the best answer. So look the video carefully because I will not speak any word. So just watch if you want to earn money by completing survey. So let's watch these questions and answer.